How long have we been vegan, babe? We can't even hold out the camera how in tall.
3 months.
Look there.
3 months.
You lie like it hasn't been no 3 months.
It's been 3 months.
It's been 3 months?
Yeah.
We never got time. But anyway. Almond milk, oats. This is a organic plant-based protein supplement, and you can see it says no sweeteners or flavors, dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free. And then this is just a supplement to boost my milk production that I take. I'm sorry, I'm using one hand for this, so. As far as the protein supplement goes, I don't do a whole cup. I just do a half a cup of that. And then my milk production booster supplement, I do a full spoon of that. And then I add my milk. And the protein powder kind of makes it sweet. So if you're worrying about that, it's not going to be sweet enough. The protein powder actually makes it a little sweet. But if you're not using protein powder and you don't need to increase your protein intake because you're breastfeeding like I am, you can add some honey for sweetness. And I'll let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes. I'm showing you guys what I eat in between lunch and breakfast. I eat snacks, and my snacks normally entail fruits and some peanuts, cashew or pistachio. This day we're on the road, so I was eating cantaloupe and pistachios. Fun fact, my son only eats shrimp. He hates meat. So us going vegan was never a problem to him. He loved fruits also, probably because that's the only thing I ate with him when I was pregnant. So I'm going to skip lunch and head straight into dinner, because for lunch I would probably eat a vegan patty, but I'm going to show you guys step by step how I made vegan patties at home. So let's get into the dinner portion. So the first thing I'm going to do is soak my veggie chunks. And you let the vegan chunks soak for 15 minutes to 30 minutes. I like to go 30 minutes, but that's just me. If you're in a hurry, you can do 15, especially since you're using boiling hot water. After I soak it, I like to burn my curry for about 5 minutes on high heat, because when you're using curry, if you don't burn it, it will run your belly. So, and especially since you're going to be using coconut milk. So I burn my curry. Next thing I'm going to do is put in my veggie chunks. Then I like to put in my potatoes and carrots and a little bit of onion. I like to cut my potatoes large. You can cut them small if you want to, but I like to cut them large because that's what my son eats for his dinner. He likes curry potatoes, as to what he calls it, and that's why I make them large. Then I'm gonna put in my coconut milk, and then I'm going to cover the pot, and the potatoes and carrots are going to make water. So I don't put any extra water in there, but if you feel like it's drying down too much and the potato hasn't cooked yet, please put some water in it so it don't burn. Then I like to put this over a bed of rice, and not design it, but show it off with a little bit of parsley on top, and this is how it looks. This is one of my favorite dinner meals. It's hearty, it's healthy, and it's going to fill you up, and you won't feel like you're missing out eating meat. This actually tastes like curry chicken or curry goat. And another one of my favorite is sweet and sour stir fry with tofu and broccoli and over a bed of rice, but babe is the one that normally make that one, so I'll save that for him to make for you guys. We're going to be trying to make vegan patty today.
Okay, so she's a foodie, I'm a foodie. My face is sweaty, it's hot out here. It's like 100 degrees in Florida today. We've been doing the whole vegan thing for 3 months now. And I spilled some water on the floor.
Okay, babe.
We've been doing the whole vegan thing for 3 months now, and she's about to do a
vegan patty.
Vegan patty, beef patty. So it looks like a beef patty, a Jamaican beef patty, but it's not a beef patty. It's gonna be filled with all kinds of goodies that are all vegan stuff.
So I plan on doing 3 different type of vegan patty. So the first one is going to be vegan chunks.
Veggie chunks.
Veggie chunks, and that's going to be curry veggie chunks. The second one is going to be, babes, vegan ground turkey with mushrooms.
Right.
And then the third one is going to be mixed vegetable and cabbage.
All plant-based.
All plant-based.
All plant-based.
So the first time we try to make a vegan patty, the dough come like you can't stone dog. So we looked at a few tutorials and saw that we were actually missing vegetable shortening. I did not know what vegetable shortening is, and today I learned something new.
Cut vaccine. That's my dog.
So, all right, let's get into the ingredients. So if you don't know what vegan veggie chunks look like, this is what it looks like. You can get it from Walmart, or we buy from a Jamaican store near us. And then mushrooms are from Walmart also. And then this is what the vegan plant-based ground sausage looks like. And then this is the vegetable shortening. This is what is going to make your crust nice and soft. And then this is the mixed vegetable, and we're gonna add cabbage to that. So it's 3 different type of vegan patty. So we're gonna go straight into it, and we're gonna go into the fillings. These are the fillings for the patty. First filling, this is just vegan ground beef with red and yellow peppers and some mushroom in a pan, and I'm just gonna stir fry that until the mushrooms and peppers are cooked to perfection. And the vegan ground beef is kind of crispy. Season my food like I'm eating meat, so I like to add my layers and my garlic powder and all of that. So add your seasonings as you desire. This is the second filling. This is cabbage and mixed vegetable in a pot with a little bit of oil, and then I add my seasonings also, because I wanted to make 3 different patties. So if you're wondering why I'm making so many fillings, I'm making 3 different patties. This is the cabbage and mixed vegetable one, the other one is the veggie chunks one, and then the third one is going to be the ground beef, the ground vegan beef one. Put So this is the flour, a little bit of salt, curry, some butter, and vegetable shortening. And you gotta use ice cold water to mix it, as they say, and Babe will start mixing. Gosh, you need a little pacifier.
What? Yeah, so, know how to roast breadfruit in the microwave. In a
Plastic bag.
Somebody said that's why we can't tell the outside people behind. No, Miss Lady, my good man, you want me to get cancer.
The dough mixture in the fridge for 30 minutes. If you don't have any time, you put it in the freezer for 15.
So instead of a rolling pin, you can use a real nephew bottle of rum.
Every Jamaican household is supposed to have one of them. That's funny.
The real nephew rum can also be used for arthritis.
Or you can use one apple time.
Too much of it can cause diabetes.
And then I just I'm making the patty. I'm getting me a plate and I'm just making the circle, pushing it down a bit, and it was finished, like I said, until the ancestor told me to stop. But I would suggest you guys watch these very carefully, and also if you're gonna save some of these and like save them to eat later on, I would suggest that you don't bake them all the way through, because when you warm them up they're going to be overbaked. So that is how I make my vegan patty from scratch. They were better than the ones that we tried to make before, so that's why I'm sharing with you guys the recipe.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
So baby's making the, which one this is? Oh, this is the vegan ground beef and mushrooms.
Yeah, this is just vegetables. This one is the vegan. This one is the veggie chunks and potatoes. And this one, it opened up back, so I have to squeeze it back down again. And this one,
you're gonna put vegan cheese in that one?
and put some vegan cheese in that one.
Yeah, my one, yeah, wake up.
First, I'll break up the cheese in little pieces. You don't want to over flood it.
Now, what kind of vegan cheese that, babe?
This cheese is actually made with carrots, barley, carrots, wheat, and some other stuff in there. But it's all fruits and vegetables that made it. So it's all plant-based. I was getting greedy and I was filling them up too much, so they're not closing properly. I think of some big patty. And I promise if this work, I won't be buying patty from anybody after this.
And that's how you make them.
And press out around that so. And then I'll bake it, you know.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments in the comment section below, and I cut and open some of them for you guys to see. I wanted to show you 3 different kind, but babe mixed it up and did all sort of stuff and whatever he wanted to do with the fillings. He said he was having fun with it, so this is what you guys get to see as far as the patties are concerned. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Deuces. Make sure you put some pricks with the fork on top. Tatty. Then patty and him large and in charge.
Large and in charge. And you wanna
Guys, you know how they say when the ancestors tell you to stop, that's when you stop.
yeah, that kind of gone. But look, patty come out really good still. Hot patty.
Hot patty, how you can eat it?
Are probably way better than the ones in the store because
These are 3 different type of patty. Me can't wait.
yeah.